Hi, fellow pirates out there. Today we go aboard across the ocean to the mighty sea. Is that right?
Yes,
We are going on a pirate ship. It's a big, humongous sailboat. It's gonna be awesome.
it's gonna be so much fun.
We're gonna stop on an island and we're gonna have lunch on board the ship. And you can actually climb to the very top of the pirate ship.
It's an iconic, tall pirate ship. Here we go. So if you're coming here to Paihia, you're gonna wanna park somewhere. There's loads of parking everywhere you go. And then we're going to go get the tickets here at the wharf. And then you take a ferry ride across to Russell, and the ship leaves from Russell. And what does it start with, girls?
Starts with scones and tea.
This is just to go to show how massive.
And that's what a cruise ship looks like.
Humongous.
So we just picked up our tickets and I thought I'd give you some information. So for an adult, it's $160, and for a child, it's $80. And that includes tea and scones, your barbecue lunch, a stop on an island, and your ferry to Russell. And the profits go to a youth development in the winter. So basically they choose a student from 7 different schools, and then they go on the sailboat and learn to sail and everything like that, and they get to know each other, so it's really fun, and that's a week.
Here we go. That's what we're about to go do. What's cool about today, girls, is we're actually going to learn to sail a little bit. We get to put the sails up and down. It's going to be so much fun.
This is the ferry to Russell. It's a 15-minute to 20-minute ride.
There's the our Tucker Thompson that we're about to go on. It's definitely an iconic tall ship, and it's been around the world. Aye, let's go.
We arrived.
Good morning. Tour of the underneath. What do you call this area? The
below decks.
below deck. This is the below deck. Let's go discover this ship. So this is like sleeping areas, I guess, is it? So I'm gonna like, beds turned into like storage. This is the kitchen. Hello.
Hiya.
Cool.
Saloon area.
Saloon.
Where we all eat.
And a ukulele and a guitar. So when there's kids on here, they like are packed everywhere, yeah?
Definitely. But we make it work. We make it.
Oh, cool. Oh, so there's like more sleeping areas here. Look at the little small door. And more sleeping areas. Holy, you'd feel really like a pirate if you did stay on this ship, right?
Anchor.
Look at the anchor, yeah. What's that? Well, that's a toilet. What's a toilet look like on a ship? Like this, like a little toilet.
Keep your hands, fingers, toes, feet on the boat, please. Just to limit our paperwork. If not,
Pretty much.
yeah, sit back and watch the work.
This is so cool. The girls are going to learn how to set sail this morning. Oh, look at that big massive sail.
Answer to what you're trying to make it do. So if you do two the whole island.
Look at her coming down.
Down this end.
Oh, look at that. This is the yummy scones. And it looks like there's coffee being made. Come here. Yeah. Whoa. What is it?
Canada Dry.
Canada Dry? No way. All the way from Canada.
It is time for scones and jam and cream.
It's so good.
How's the coffee?
Delicious. Always good to have coffee. Hot chocolates.
Wait until I go on, yeah.
Thank you.
Just black, please.
So you get all geared up to go up so that you're safe and secure. Here goes nothing. Here goes Julia. Chloe's already up. Angelique's about to go next. What does it feel like, guys? Is
Feels
it?
like we're a pirate.
You feel like a pirate? We're going all the way up. All right, here we go. Going flip. Flip to the red. I hear the. Is it freaky up there? The climb begins. Oh, what do I climb onto here? It's here. Ooh. Here we go. Ah.
You got it.
Oh my gosh, it's really shaky. Oh, I have no fear of heights. Oh. Hey, Angelique. Hi. What are you doing over there? Wow.
If I can.
Look at her. Here comes Angelique. This is amazing. This is nuts. No, I don't really like the part when Julia moves because it shakes the whole thing. So I feel like I'm holding on for dear life. And if you fall, it's still like, you still fall quite a bit because those knots are like only at every little area. So, this is the halfway point.
Yeah, you can get high.
Are you gonna go higher?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. Chloe, you're apparently not scared of heights.
Look at how high I am.
I know. Look at the views. Are they cool or what? There's the flag down below. Whoa. This is unreal. Yeah.
Holding you.
It's holding you, yeah, but
We keep going.
the challenge is if you have it,
If you let go, you hold it, right?
you're held, yeah.
So we'll be fine. And it's made in Italy. What
It's-
could possibly go?
It's made in Italy.
I'm just joking. I'm scared.
Look at how high up we are. No way. Like, look at this. And that's how high up we are. My goodness gracious me. Whose crazy idea was this? Where are you going? Look at her. Look at Chloe.
She's crazy.
She's like way up there.
Only in New Zealand could you do something like this.
I know. We made it. High five. Woohoo.
This is the point we and Mom are going to.
There she is. Oh my goodness. Look at you.
The top is right here.
Is
2
there?
steps away.
I just can't get up because it's too narrow for my feet. And Angelique made it down. Good job, Angelique. It's not that bad. It's just really high up. This was quite the accomplishment to do and really cool experience. I don't think you can do anything like it anywhere else probably in the world except for New Zealand, where they let you do crazy things like this. Time to go down. I didn't make it all the way to the top, but pretty much all the way there. I know, you were amazing.
There's only less of this bar is half gone, so it looks dangerous. Like this is all like torn.
It's fine. It's just narrow for the feet to step up.
Now you go like, you should have done it. You would have been fine.
Boy, mate.
Can I get everyone just to shuffle back a bit?
Shuffle back, shuffle back. We have arrived to the beach. Look at this. What an epic day we're having. This is just seriously an amazing experience. The water is just crystal clear here. It's so nice. So over there on the other side, there's a lagoon, or a lagoon, if there's low tide, which is now. So we're gonna go see if we can maybe swim in the lagoon. Maybe the water's a little bit warmer. We're not sure.
It's like we've been transported to another planet here.
Yeah, this is like a little lagoon. So I'm sure when the high tide comes, this is all water. And right now there's this little lagoon area that you see the diver over in the distance. He's swimming. There's also a really nice walk, which is right behind us, 15 minutes up. Tyler went up to go take some pictures, so we'll put them here for some beautiful views of it. A little bit tricky to walk on all these shells and stuff like that. This is like pure reflexology for your toes and your feet and your body. Must be really healthy.
Go for it!
Give me a second, please.
It is time to see my mom swim.
Here we go.
Whoa, go for it.
Oh no! How did you do that?
Keep on going.
Lovely and refreshing, I must say.
Is it nice and warm?
It's refreshing.
It's refreshing. Come on, Chloe. Should I just drop down from here and then
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the bird. I thought that came out of your mouth. Julia just made a good point. You know, we've been here in New Zealand for so long that we kind of forget things as simple as, like, how crazy is it that we just climbed to the top of those masts and we didn't sign waivers or anything. Like, you know, Chloe's 12 in the United States, in America, or Canada, maybe even Australia. I don't think he could do that.
Everything is
It's pretty cool. It's very, yeah, it's very
Ready?
adventurous. Ready.
Watch this.
Yummy. Girls hungry?
Oh, yes.
Oh, how is your lunch, Chloe?
It's really good.
So today's lunch is a Yummalicious salad, some mustard seed potatoes, and some barbecue chicken.
salad sauce. And bread.
Cheers. We've got Captain Angelique directing the ship. Chloe's been guiding the ship for, what, at least 20 minutes now? Doing a good job, eh, Chloe? How is it?
It's fun. What's happening?
Well, something's off, so our captain went up, but he doesn't even know how to swim when he goes up. He just literally goes up.
Water on board. This is how much of an angle we are on. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. So we have been transported. We are no longer on the ship. You are in a sideways house. And look at the oven. Look at the oven. It's crazy how much we're like, ooh. We are right now gonna go to the very front of the boat, so it's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be like when we were going at the top, but this time to the front.
Up on the bar, you can sit, like on the wood thing.
Oh yeah!
Yeah?
Yeah, that big thing that's got a basket. So you can sit there.
Okay, here we go. Here we go, Julia. Let's go. Here we are. We don't know what to do. We're enjoying it. I can see where we live. Is it safe? There we go. Look at what it looks like from up there. Woohoo! So Julia, how was your day so far?
Awesome!
Woohoo! Crazy. So each time they have to switch the sails, we have to duck down and lie down like that. It's pretty funny.
Awesome! Now you're free.
Good to go. Free as a bird. Whoa, look at this.
When was the last real kiss? When did it turn from that to this? When did the last spark fly?
Right. That was amazing.
Incredible.
Incredible. Thank you.
I have known for some time now. Nothing.
Thanks so much for joining our tour here in the Bay of Islands. Please subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.